Hello, I'm Timothy. You can call me Tim, and I'm going to show you, you don't have to, I'm going to show you the next AI tool, which is creating rubric. So you go to AI tools, you can see it here, create rubric, create a clear and structured rubric to assess any assignment. Very useful, very versatile, and I am now going to show you by clicking on it. Lots of options here, so we can describe the describe the actual assignment itself, as long as I can actually say it. I'm going to paste in something I wrote earlier on. So this is from my assignment demo. So SI and how Jamie Priestley uses the characters in an inspector calls to explore socialist themes. We can choose between the type. We can have it as analytical or holistic, and I'm going to go for analytical. And we can have a numeric scoring scale or a descriptive one. And actually, I think I'll run this with either of those so we can see what it looks like. Performance levels, I'm going to go for 5. 3 is a bit not enough for me really. And then we can actually then generate it, or we can choose manually as well. We can actually put our own little custom criteria in there as well. For speed, I'm just going to go automatic. Then we can have GCSE Foundation for the level. We have all those levels there. We have all of the output language options there too. Go for English UK. And then create rubric. We just hit the button and then we get a nice little grid that we can use here. This could be used in class for peer marking as well. You can customize this to the point where it's more in sync with the exam board mark scheme as well if you want to, but you might want it on a specific activity that you want yourself. We can copy it, we can print it, we can save it as PDF if we want to. With all AI output, always use your judgment. You're the expert, you're the teacher, you're in control of it. Review it, have a look at it. You can change it or rerun it. And actually saying rerun it, I could just rerun it to descriptive and let's see what it comes out with. So we have a new, different version of it. So outstanding, excellent, very good, good. And in some ways, this actually might be better for a class where they don't have to think too hard about what these numbers mean and everything like that. So actually might be more effective. So it depends on what you're doing and how you want to use it and what you're actually teaching. So plenty of options there. Give rubric a go. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. I'm sure you'll find it useful. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one.